So, having come this far in the application process, you will notice that this is where we stopped in the last video. We have gotten the personal details, we have gotten the idea and experience details. Yeah, we talked about having the ideas well mapped out in such a way that it gives you you are able to talk about what the problem is that you're trying to solve, who you are trying to solve it for, and why your solution is unique. So when you have gotten all that together, yeah, we also talked about whether your idea is going to be in the rural area or in the urban area. We talked about all of that, and for me, this farm idea is going to be in the rural area and is addressing three of the sustainable development goals: to goal 2 for zero hunger, goal 1 for no poverty, goal 12 responsible consumption and production. So having gotten that, I will still validate. I now come to the next step in the application process, and here I have to be able to I have the option of either to update the bio and experience data, that is go back to the last step, or I can now save and continue, or I can now start the next phase of the application, which is actually to write a test. It's going to be a 45 minutes test, yeah, and it is timed, and once you get it started, you have to go finish it up, and you have to be able to give them what they want so that you can get position yourself to get to the next section. So these next two sections actually contain personality questions, financial and business acumen questions. So that's what this test is all about, this 45 minutes test. So at this point, I want to take that text, yeah. So I'm going to click start, and once you click start, you must finish it. So I am here, I'm taking the test, so I'm going to pause the video so that I can quickly be able to run through these tests, and then when I'm done, I will come back to the video again and we'll progress from there. So I am back to the recording, and here you can see that I have completed the tests. I've been able to take the personality test, the cognitive test, and now my application is 90% complete. So I'll click continue to get to the last phase of it. This is the declaration phase of the application, and with this declaration phase, the application will be over and out. And in this declaration is basically for you to tell them, have you applied before? No, I have not applied before. If yes, which year? Have you received seed capital? No, I haven't done that before. So do you have business partners or collaborators who are alumnus of the program? Nope, I don't have. Are you a sanction person or a business partner or a close relative or a friend of nope, I don't have. Now remember that this particular application I'm doing, yeah, I'm doing it as an entrepreneur, and yeah, I'm actually using a real life application to be able to show you this. So basically, do you have a business partner or company that have a direct dealing with that? No, I don't. Are you a politically exposed person or a close relative or a person who's politically exposed? No, I don't have anybody who is politically exposed. So my responses are no. Have you or your business partner been investigated, arrested? No. Have you or your business partner ever been investigated, arrested? No. Have you or your business partner ever been investigated, arrested, penalized for a financial related offense? No. So you can see what all of these are. They are trying to find out more for you to declare ahead of time if you have any conflict of interest, if you have any issue in terms of crime, in terms of being politically exposed, or in terms of being anything that has to do with related to terrorist charges, or anything that has to ever do with financial crimes. So this is what they're actually asking for in this particular section. And here, have you been convicted of a crime before? No. Have you are you in business with any Tony Elumelu Foundation staff or staff of? No, I'm not. Are you a current or previous staff of any affiliated company? No. So my answer is no all the way. Now, having done all of this, I can now submit my application. So this is basically how this works. So I have finished the application, and you may not be in a hurry to submit. You can still keep it and be able to review it. You still have till the end of March to be able to do that. So we wish you the best. They'll go through it and then they'll get back to the 2nd of April. That's what they said. So that is it, and I hope this process, the way we're broken down, has been of help for you, to you. Well, look forward to seeing you in the next video when we talk about a little more about how you can make money, how you can apply for these opportunities, and then of course how you can take your dreams and visions to the next level. Bye for now.